What's up, guys? Welcome back. So as you can see here, we have a new project going on. This is my newly acquired, it's a 1952 Crown. I think it's a 14. It's an old little trailer that I came upon here. I'll walk around so you guys can see it. It's really beat up. It's water damaged like all these old things are. And it's kind of bowing out right there. So we were out looking at some property and this guy had it in his yard. There's a little hole there. He had it in his yard and he was advertising it for sale. So I got up, took a look at it, and then, well, here it is now. It's really dented. It's really dented up. It's in really, really rough shape. But I like it because it's old. Here's the inside. I was just cleaning it up, going through it. You can see there all that nastiness, all that water damage. But it's like stepping into a time capsule in here. It has a little stove, a little sink, a little ice box. This is a little closet here. This little old vent. I've never seen one of those like that before. This is way before my time. It's a 1952, like I said. But yeah, it's pretty cool. So what my plans are is I'm gonna have to do a frame up restoration on this thing. My plan is maybe just build a whole new frame and slide this thing on. It's titled and it's the correct VIN, so I shouldn't have a problem with that. But this little frame seems kind of, that's like 2 inches, 2.5, maybe. Little C channel. My plan is to use square stock, build it up, make it a little bit longer, and put like a little like quad carrier here in the front. And then I have a big 3,500 pound axle with brakes that I was going to use for a teardrop build, but I could just stuff it under here with the new frame. But yeah, so this is my latest project. Just stay tuned to see what's going to come up with this. What I'm going to do right now is I'm tearing it all apart. I want to try to take all the skin off and yeah, see how bad it is. But if you guys like this, keep tuning in. I'll have more videos here in the near future. Thank you, guys.